Grasshopper. Grasshoppers belong to the order Orthoptera, and there are more than 11,000 species worldwide. They usually have a long, slender body, strong legs, and long antennae. Grasshoppers are herbivorous animals that mainly eat leaves, grass, and other plants. Several species of locusts can also become pests that damage agricultural crops. One of the unique features of grasshoppers is their ability to jump far and fast. Some species of grasshoppers can jump up to 20 times their body lengths and reach speeds of up to 8 km/h. This ability is useful for escaping from predators or finding food. Mosquito. Mosquitoes belong to the order Diptera, and there are more than 3,500 species worldwide. Only female mosquitoes bite humans to obtain the blood needed to produce eggs. Mosquitoes can be vectors for various diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and the Zika virus. This is because mosquitoes can transmit microorganisms from one living thing to another. Mosquitoes have the ability to sniff out carbon dioxide produced by humans or animals at a considerable distance. This ability helps them to find their prey more easily and effectively. In addition, they can also respond to body heat and human body odor, which makes it easier for them to bite. Snake. Snakes are reptile animals that are found throughout the world, except in Antarctica. There are more than 3,000 identified species of snakes, and they can live in a variety of environments, from deserts to rainforests. Many snake species have venom that is harmful to humans and other animals. Some dangerous species, such as cobras, taipan snakes, and other venomous snakes, can kill humans in a short time if not treated quickly. While some snake species can be dangerous, many other snake species are beneficial to the environment. Snakes eat small animals, such as rats and lizards, which can damage crops or become disease vectors. Apart from that, snake skin is used to make items like bags, shoes, and clothes. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are insects that belong to the order Odonata. There are more than 5,000 species of dragonflies that have been identified worldwide, and they usually live around water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. Dragonflies are predatory insects that eat small insects, such as aphids and mosquitoes. They have big and strong eyes and the ability to fly fast, making it easier for them to chase and catch prey. Dragonflies have a unique life cycle. They undergo a metamorphosis that involves changing from a larval form that lives in water to an adult form that flies through the air. During the larval stage, dragonflies are often referred to as water crickets because of their similar shape and way of life. As adults, dragonflies only live for a few weeks to a few months depending on the species. Fly. Ephelis belong to the order Diptera, and there are more than 120,000 species worldwide. Ephelis usually have a small body and transparent wings, as well as the ability to fly fast and agile. Ephelis are highly adaptive insects and can be found in a variety of environments, from tropical rainforests to grasslands. Ephelis also have an important role in the ecosystem as scavengers and decomposers of organic matter. Ephelis can be vectors for various diseases, such as dengue fever, cholera, and diarrhea. This is due to the ability of Ephelis to pick up pathogens and germs from the surrounding environment and carry them elsewhere when they eat or come into contact with humans or other animals. Therefore, keeping the environment clean and avoiding direct contact with Ephelis is very important to prevent disease. Snail. Snails are mollusk animals that live in various environments, both land and freshwater. Snails have a shell that serves to protect their bodies and also as a place to live. Snails have the ability to store moisture in their bodies for long periods of time, enabling them to survive in dry environments. In addition, snails can also reduce the need for food and oxygen during the dry season by entering a period of dormancy. Several species of snails are used as food in several countries. In France, a snail called escargot is usually cooked with garlic, butter, and other spices. In addition, several species of snails are also kept as pets because of their unique slow motion and attractive shell. Ladybug. Ladybug, or often also called ladybug, is an insect that belongs to the Coccinellidae family. There are about 5,000 species of ladybugs worldwide. Ladybugs usually have a red or orange base color with black or white spots on their backs. This color pattern is useful for protection against predators, as predators tend to avoid insects that look like ladybugs. Besides being useful as a deterrent to predators, ladybugs are also useful for agriculture because they eat pests such as aphids. Several species of ladybugs are also kept as pets because they are considered to bring good luck. Bumblebee. Bumblebees are members of the Apidae family, and there are about 250 species of bumblebees worldwide, mostly in temperate and cold climates. The size of the bumblebee varies from 6 millimeters to 4 centimeters depending on the species. They have thick fur that is brightly colored, such as black, yellow, orange, and red. Bumblebees are very important in pollinating plants, especially those that grow in colder environments. They have the ability to shake their bodies rapidly to extract pollen from flowers and spread it to other plants, thereby aiding in fruit and seed production. However, the bumblebee population has declined in recent years due to habitat loss and pesticide use. Bee. Bees are insects that belong to the Hymenoptera order, and there are about 20,000 species of bees spread throughout the world. Several well-known bee species such as honeybees, flower-sucking bees, and mason bees. Bees have a very important role in pollinating plants, so it is important to maintain the existence of bee populations. Bees can help increase crop and fruit production, which then has an impact on increasing the quality and quantity of food produced. Bees are also known as producers of honey, which is a highly nutritious and popular food worldwide. Bees collect nectar from flowers and then turn it into honey through a complex process. Honey is packed with nutrients and has many health benefits, such as helping to boost the immune system and soothe sore throats. Caterpillar. The caterpillar is a stage in insect metamorphosis where the eggs hatch into larvae. Caterpillars usually have soft bodies and no wings. They usually eat leaves and other plants as their food and grow rapidly during this period of time. Caterpillars have an important role in the ecosystem as food for predators, such as birds and insectivorous insects. Some caterpillars can also help break down organic materials such as leaves and organic waste in nature. During its life cycle, caterpillars experience several changes of skin or molting. At the time of molting, the caterpillar sheds its old skin and produces a new, bigger and stronger skin. Once the caterpillars reach a large enough size, they move on to the next stage in the life cycle, which is the pupation and then the adult insect. Ant. Ants are one of the most successful and widespread insects worldwide, with more than 12,000 known species of ants. Ants live in colonies consisting of thousands to millions of individuals, depending on the species. Ants are highly organized within their colony, with each member of the colony holding a specific role and task. Worker ants are usually responsible for finding food and rearing eggs, while warrior ants and queen ants play an important role in defending the colony from predators and other attacks. Ants are highly intelligent and coordinated insects, and they use a variety of signals and smells to communicate and cooperate within their colony. Several species of ants are also noted for their ability to build elaborate nests, sometimes consisting of several connected rooms and passages.